everyone, it's Debbie. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you're new here, I'm a reseller. I started reselling on eBay back in July of 2004, and I have shipped a lot of items. I saw a statistic in my main eBay store, sold over 37,000 items. So I have spent a lot of time shipping all of that. Nobody else has ever shipped for me. It's always been me shipping. So shipping supplies are very important. And one thing that I love about having an eBay store subscription is that you get a credit quarterly for shipping supplies. So on January 1st, April 1st, July 1st, and October 1st, you get a shipping credit. I have actually two eBay stores. My little store, I just have the basic subscription. So I get a $25 credit every quarter. On my premium store, I get a $50 credit. So today I'm going to go through and show you some of my favorite shipping supplies that I get with that credit. And I'm also going to walk you step by step how to find that coupon. In previous years, they would send an email to you with that credit and remind you that they have it. They don't do that now. You have to remember that that credit is available. You have to use it before the last day of the quarter or else it expires, and you have to know how to get to it. So I'm going to show you step by step. I'll circle in red everything that you click so that if you need to find it, you can quickly come to this video and go through step by step, see how to access your code. So first, I'm going to quickly show you some of the supplies that I love. I always keep the Polymailers on hand, and this is just a standard size that most clothing items will fit in. So I can easily fit a pair of jeans, a shirt, some dresses, and things like that inside of this Polymailer. This bag is 12 by 15 inches, and it is the one that I use the majority of the time. I'm going to show you some common things that you might ship that would fit inside this bag. The first is just a pullover. It fits perfectly. Have a pair of jeans. Next, we have two items in this bag, and it's not overstuffed. This is a midi length denim dress along with a lightweight shirt. Next, not overstuffed, and it is a cardigan sweater, fit just fine in there. And last, I was surprised this one fit. I thought it might have to go to the next size, but this is a blanket that even fit inside. Then if I have something like a larger jacket, or maybe someone orders 3 pairs of jeans or a couple of shirts, or maybe a hoodie, or if I have multiple items, it's a much bigger bag. Then I also usually have the size that is one size down. I think it's 10 by 13, and I ran out of those, so that's going to be in my order today. Then if you sell things like video games or maybe small books, this padded envelope is excellent. It's so cute with the eBay color. So this is just a video game. It fits in there easily. It has a little bit of bubble to protect it. It has the tab to self-seal it. So I use these a lot. I also sell a lot of audio books that I ship in this. Then this is one of my favorite things, and it comes in a nice sturdy envelope. These are the eBay stickers, and they say thank you for supporting my small business, eBay. I love to put these on my packages. Then there is the eBay tape, and it comes in rolls like this, and this is what it looks like. So I rarely have to purchase bags or Polymailers or any shipping supplies for things that I send out on eBay. So it covers my shipping supplies for the entire year. Now, sometimes if it's something like a larger item that requires a big box, I will go buy one of those. For basic clothing, the shipping supplies covers my entire year. Combined with the free shipping supplies that I get from USPS, you can order free priority shipping supplies, and I have a video that shows you step by step how to order those supplies. And between the priority supplies and the eBay branded supplies, I rarely have to buy anything else to ship. Then there are 2 boxes that I regularly purchase, and they come to you flat. like this, but I wanted to show them to you folded. The smaller one is 8 by 6 by 4. This is what it looks like folded. This is a coffee mug that I got from a friend that lives in England that I became friends with through eBay. So this is really special to me. And I use this box a lot for coffee mugs. So I will put it inside. I put it inside this one, and then often I will then put it inside this larger box to double box it. It is 8 by 8 by 8, and it's just good for anything that needs a little bit more protection. If I sell a baseball hat and I don't want it to get damaged and bent, this box works well. Even the smaller box will even work for it on some hats. Actually, this one does. Some of the guys' hats, though, are a little bit bigger, and I feel safer having them in this, but this one works for maybe some smaller women's hats. I also like having the eBay tissue paper to wrap things in. Often I will wrap an item with it and then seal it with the eBay sticker, or say something needs a little bit of filler. This is great, and it looks nice. So that is another favorite thing. And this is one more thing that I have that I ordered is these thank you cards. And they say thanks on one side, and then on the other it says, your order made my day. I hope this package makes yours. If you want to send something with a personalized note, it's nice to have these, and they come multicolored. And this is one package that I haven't even opened yet. It comes in one of the eBay padded mailers. So now I'm going to take you along as I order supplies with my $25 coupon and with my $50 coupon. Okay, so you want to go to your eBay Seller Hub and click on Store. This will open a drop-down menu where you are going to click on Subscriber Discounts. When you click on that, it's going to open up a page where it shows eBay shipping supplies, and I have $25 available for my small store, so I'm going to click on See Details. Then it shows my coupon code. That's a unique code only for me. I don't have to copy it or anything. I just click on Start Shopping, and it's going to open up eBay shipping supplies. I'm scrolling through so you can see the different items available. If you notice, some of the prices have a range. That is because you can pick the quantity of items, and there's a different price if you purchase 100 versus a quantity of 200 or 400. And I always try to stick very close to the amount of my coupon. If you go under and don't use that remaining balance, you lose it. If you go over, you can pay the difference. Plus, you do pay sales tax. So I like to try to hit it as close to the amount as possible, or just a couple dollars over. It is less expensive if you get, say, a quantity of 400 versus 100. But I found I don't really run out of these supplies, so I am going to just take advantage of the coupon amount. Today, I'm going to order the 10 by 12.5 inch Polymailers with no padding. So I go into the listing and I want to choose the amount that I am going to purchase. I see that 100 envelopes is $27.47. That is so close to my $25 coupon, so that is what I'm going to select. I click on Add to Cart rather than Buy It Now because I want to make sure that my coupon is applied. I click on Go to Cart, then I click on Go to Checkout, and it shows that I owe a balance of $28.95. So I need to click where it says gift cards, coupons, eBay bucks. And this is where I'm able to redeem my $25 coupon. So all I do is I click that box. It is already in there. I don't have to paste it or anything. Then you can see that the coupon is applied. It then takes me to the next screen where it shows my order total is now only $3.95. Much better. Then you complete your purchase. I have mine set up to go through PayPal, which it still comes out of my business checking account, but I have my debit card set up so that it will withdraw out of that business checking account. I complete my checkout and it says my order is in. I will receive an email and then tracking information, and I should get the order within about a week. Okay, now let's spend $50 in my larger eBay store. I go to my seller hub, click on store, then click on subscriber discounts. Next, click on see details, then click on start shopping. It brings up the eBay shipping supplies, and I know that I want to order some more Polymailers since I was a little low. I did not want to pay a lot of my own money, so I decided I would buy 100 out of one store, and then out of my second store, I'm going to buy the quantity of 200 because that comes to $41.66. Then I have a little bit of money left over, so I am going to get some eBay stickers because they are one of the lowest priced items and I use those regularly. So I pick out the 3-inch thank you stickers, and in a hurry while I was screen recording this, I bought the wrong ones. Usually I say the ones that say thank you for supporting my business, so these won't say that, but that's okay. I purchased 100 of them, so it is going to go a little bit over that $50 coupon. But I would rather use a little bit of my own money rather than lose part of my coupon. Then I click on go to checkout, and you will notice that it shows that I owe $59.18. So I'm going to click where it has the gift cards, coupons, eBay bucks. The coupon number is already in there, so all I have to do is check that box. It applies my $50 credit, and now it shows that I only owe $9.18. So I will complete my purchase through PayPal, and once I submit that payment, it will show that the order is in and that I will receive an email, and within 11 hours I received an order update that my items were already on the way. I also received an email that said that they were on their way with tracking. So that is it. It is really easy to order. Usually the supplies arrive within about a week or so, so there is a fast fulfillment on those items. It is really easy to order, but it's also really easy to forget to order. So I will try to always remind you at the beginning of each quarter, if you watch this channel, to order your supplies when I order my supplies, or you might go into your phone and just put a reminder at the beginning of each quarter to order your supplies because they do expire the last day of every quarter. So that is everything that I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, I would appreciate it so much. And if you're not subscribed and would like to join me again, I would love to have you back. Just hit the subscribe button down below, and if you hit the notification bell, it will let you know when I release new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and everybody have a great day. Bye.